There you go, there you go. There you go. Finally, he got through. Don't stop, man. All right. Wow, he did it. There you go. Look how much thick that snow on the roof of this car. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. And I was wondering why I'm out here today. Today is January 17th, Monday morning. I'm supposed to go to work today, and I'm not going. The reason is they had a snowstorm last night, and someone said that you can't get on the road, and the road is so bad because of the snowfall. And I'm gonna go out for a walk. I'm gonna show you guys how bad the snow is, and it's probably the worst snowfall maybe for years, because there was a lot of cars. People going to work, they started coming back because they can't take the car on here. They haven't plowed the road yet. Yeah, there's a few cars on the road. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go for a walk, and let's see how far I can go. And I'll show you guys the road, and hopefully you see some cars getting stuck in here. So you see right behind me, look at all the snow. It's so thick, guys. All right, so we're gonna go around, we're gonna walk, and see what we can find out there. This guy's he's trying. So this car is a SUV van. He's gonna try driving the car on the road, and he will get stuck. And this is the reason why I'm not taking my car out today. Let's see how many people actually get stuck here. I'm just standing here in this corner, and there's another car here. At least this guy's an SUV, 4x4. Alright, now one guy's managed to go. But look how thick the snow are, guys. So this is the road here. I can't get into this path. There's a sidewalk right here. Like, look how bad the snow. So this is starting falling last night, maybe around 11 o'clock, before midnight. So it's still snowing. It's still snowing right now. Yeah, so the road, usually they plow this road. They haven't done anything right now because it's too early in the morning. So right now it's like 7:30, quarter to 8 in the morning. Oh, the cars is okay. I think the main highway are pretty bad. Yeah, it's still snowing. Look at that snowfall. You see, I'm gonna walk here. Look how deep the snow is. Look how deep the snow is. See my feet? It's right just below my knee. All right. I guess you guys can experience this. Now it's the road is actually empty. There's not a lot of cars. There's a lot of cars in right now because people are going to work, you know. But yeah, the road is pretty bad. So that's what it needs. Really nice to have a snow tires. Really nice to have a snow tires in your car. It does help. But when the snow is really this thick, I won't take a chance. Whether you have snow tires or not, unless you're a 4x4 pickup truck, maybe you'll manage to get to this snow bank behind me. So yeah, so I'm not going to work today. So I'm just gonna stay home and relax, and enjoy. Maybe later on I'm gonna maybe if it get better today, I may have to take my car around. See if there's anything else that I can show you guys. But this is winter here in Toronto. Even the transit, the public buses, transits are not probably get stuck because I haven't seen one coming through here. Because a lot of people don't have a car, so they just take buses to go to work. And there's a car. I want to see a car that actually stuck. So I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk around. See the car. I want to see a car that got stuck. All right, left one's coming around. Oh, no, where this guy's going? Splashing. Yeah, he got through. I think when you're really on the main road here, you see some tire track. See the tire track here? Mine is okay. There's a pickup truck. It's passing by. He got through okay. But this is the road, guys. This is the road. And it is bad. It is bad. I just want to see some cars get actually stuck here somewhere. Alright, so I can't be, it's been so hard to walk in this snow. It's kind of a bit slippery. But look how much that snow is. How thick the snow is. So, anyways, I'll see if we're gonna go. See if we can find other things exciting here today. And I'll show you guys car park. As you see, this car right here. This is a parking lot. And this car is buried. This car is buried with snow. Check this out. Look at this car. Look at this snow. Look at this car. Check the roof. Now look at where I'm standing. The snow really up to my knee. There's the parking lot right here. But check the snow. This car. Let me clean my lens. Alright, so you can see there's more here. Look how much thick that snow on the roof of this car. Look at where my feet. Now, check this out. That's the snow. How much is on the ground? Right up to my knee. It's incredible. It's crazy. So this is one of the worst. It's probably the worst for years. When I had this, I never had so much snow. Even look how deep that. Look how thick the snow on these cars are. I'm gonna go on the other side. Interesting. Yeah. Check that out. Oh, look how deep the snow is my feet. All right, check this out. This is the van. There's not much on the side, but here. So this is one of the car right now. Actually, you can't even see the front, the windshield. Yeah. So this is some of the cars that parked here. This is buried with snow, and look how much the snow is on the ground. Look how much the snow there. I don't think they're able to get out, so they have to wait probably at the end of the day today, and hopefully they clean this path. Alright, there's another car here. Yeah, look at this. We got this truck. We got the snow on the hood. But see how much the snow is actually falling since last night. And this is my my path. Alright. So these are at least 3-4 feet of snow right now. If you go on this right in this area here, and right here, really bad. All right. Whoa. And it's still snowing here. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see the snow falling from the sky. But if it's gonna be like this all day, it's gonna get worse and worse. So at least not a freezing rain. Just kind of soft powder snow. But I don't know how this car's really is going to be able to get out of this parking lot, because the cars are so deep. Now, if you see what is the height these cars are, but check out the snow. The snowbank is building right in between them. You see? Look at that. Wow. Wow, there's a truck here with a blade on the front. It's not really just below my knee. Alright, so I'm gonna keep walking here and see what I can find. I'm really walking right on this deep snow. There's a grader. Oh, this guy's got a blade. That helps. Oh, he's helping. He's helping the road. There's two. Alright. See what I can find here, guys. Oh. Alright. Oh, if you can, man. There's no way I can walk through here. Right. Yeah. Well, so that's how it works. So the truck there has a blade on the front, and he just plow some areas. Look how deep the snow is on my feet. So, oh, I think someone got stuck. It's down the street. All right, but he's so bad, guys. And again, if you're a Canadian, wherever you are, somehow in your lifetime you experience this. That's our roads there. It's not clean. There's a van here. I believe he's got stuck. I'm gonna need to get near to the van. If you don't have four-wheel drive, if you don't have snow tires, I won't take a chance to go out here and drive, because it is crazy. Now check out the van. He's trying. He's pushing. He's pushing right on the snowbank. Hopefully get through it. He's trying. He's almost there. He'll manage to it. See this truck here. Hopefully he's gonna try to help him out. I can smell that. Look at that. So this is how you get stuck. He's managing to it. He's pushing to it. Just don't stop. Just keep going until you get through it. So you got through. All right. Now it's the front wheel drive. Let's see if you can get up the hill. Oh. Yeah. You're gonna try. You're gonna try. All right. We're gonna try again. You're gonna try again. Just don't stop though. The thing is, when you're already moving, keep pushing that gas. Let the wheel keep going, and don't stop. Because once you stop, and that's it. The wheels start spinning over that snow. So it's gonna try. Let's see if you get it up to the hill. Ooh, oh, he made it. I can smell the tire. Yahoo! All right, guys. So there's, oh, okay. So there, a dump truck, and they have salt on top of it, and they got the blade. And this is how they clean the highway and the roads, all the snow. And yeah, if you notice, it's how thick the snows are. And it's just falling only for one, not even 24 hours yet. It's starting last night. So right now it's probably almost 8 o'clock in the morning, January 17th. I was supposed to go to work today, and when I heard my friend said that don't take a chance because the roads is too bad, it's not properly clean yet, and even if I have snow tires, it'll probably be difficult because I don't know the areas of the place that I'm gonna go, or the roads that I'm gonna go are also plowed and clean. Yeah. All right, let's look at this guy here. Even him doesn't get stuck. It's a big truck. He didn't stop. So this is one of the yeah. So this is one of the government service truck bulldozer with blade on the front gets stuck. So that tells you how much snow really on the road. They're kind of going up this hill, and even with the heavy load he's got on top there, also he even gets stuck. So what he has to do, he has to reverse. He should be reversed back here and go hard because he's actually climbing right on the snowbank. You know. But look at the blade in the front. See? So I'll see if I can go on by and stop. Look how much. Look how trying to get that tires out of that snowbank. And this is a heavy truck. And I don't know. He has to go back. He has to go reverse and back up again. You can't do it like that, man. You got to reverse it. You know, he has to go back. He has to go back and move the truck more in the middle part of on the road, because he's really driving right off the snow. So there's a public transit out there. He's trying. Let me get close to the tire. Look at that. You see? He's pushing it. He's pushing it. It's burning. The tire's burning. I can smell it. He has to go back, man. He has to reverse. No way. He even got stuck. Can't do it. Can't do it, man. He has to go back, reverse it all the way down, and go hard. No way. He can't. The reason why he was able to get up, because the front is full of snow there, the front wheels. So he should have maybe dropped that blade. So I'm trying to instruct him. But because he can't hear me, this is good. This is good. Oh, all that. Look at that, guys. This is good. Let's see if I'm gonna go live on my Facebook. All right. Still getting stuck, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go live on my Facebook. Okay, so here I'm gonna live on my Facebook on this one. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know what it's gonna do now. You may have to get another tow truck to get in tow. Pull them up. Now he's reversing it. He's reversing it. Let's see if he can still do this. Oh, it is. There we go. There we go. Oh, almost there, almost there. Man, tire. Yeah, almost there, buddy. You gotta go back up again. You gotta back up again. I'm gonna try again. Go fast. But the thing is, he's pushing his front wheels right on top of the snow, out in the front. So this tire will be able to manage to help him go through that snowbank. Even this guy's got stuck, huh? Even all the cars there, still cars, people out there probably going to work, take a chance, you know. But I don't know, maybe go to work later on. We'll see. I can smell the smell. I can smell the tires burning. Right now the tires is burning. Ooh. I'm gonna go live on my Facebook. Alright. Oh, still, guys. This guy is still trying. He's still trying to get up on this snowbank. Still trying, he's still trying. Yeah. Look at this, guy. So this is one of the government service truck. The plow is basically it's a dump truck, and they put salt on top of that dump truck there, and it's got a blade on the front, and somehow he got stuck right here. And look how deep the snow right now, and I can smell the fume. The tire is still burning. He's still pushing. You gotta turn the wheels. You gotta turn the wheels to the front that way. I don't know what this guy's doing. He's been trying to get this truck out for the last 15 minutes. And all he has to do is back off, and turn to the left. Because there's a lot of snowbank right on this side of the road. So he has to go to that. See how clean? They're clean on that part of the road. So he has to reverse and go towards the left side instead of going to the snowbank here. Because no way he wants to get out. That's crazy. And these people going to work. Buses or public transit out here. So, but yeah, I don't know if you can manage it. Look how thick the snow is. See? He's trying. See, also to keep pushing back, keep driving back, keep reversing it, and go to the right. See, you gotta face that wheels to the right and left. See, that's where this still going. You got stuck here, guys. 20 minutes, half an hour now. Yeah. They got stuck. All right. Oh, it's burning. You know what, guys? This is crazy. The guy's crazy. That's all he has to do. Even the small plow. Oh, he managed it. That's it. Don't stop though. Keep going. You'll get there. Keep going. Oh, you gotta try again. Well, you know what? He managed from here. Now he's right up here now. So he's almost on top of the hill. Oh, there's a truck that passed by. Yeah, the snow is still falling, and this dump truck plow stuck, and I can smell the tire burning. Guys, again, I've been standing here on this corner with a truck stuck behind me, and it's crazy. It's so bad right now. If you notice, a lot of snow on my hand, my glasses. It's cold. It's very cold. I don't know. Maybe it's like -10, -15 degrees right now. It's snowfall. You can see all the snow on my sunglasses. The footage will be cold. The car gets stuck behind me. That one is actually been stuck right from here. I guess it got pushed a little bit up, a little bit more, but still get stuck. See. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you guys can experience this one day. And so this is the life in Canada, winter. So we're in the middle of January, and today is Monday, January 17. I was supposed to go to work today, but because I heard that you can't get on the road because it's so bad, and I said forget it. I'm gonna stay home and I'm gonna vlog and video on what's going on out here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy, and keep watching. Bye for now. Yeah. So if you're trying to go to work today, don't. Stay home because the road is bad. So stay home, guys. Don't even try, because some areas, some roads or highway are not properly plowed, and a lot of cars got struck. And if you notice his plow, it got stuck right here, right in front of me, and it's been stuck since almost half an hour. Started from then, getting stuck, pushing up this hill, and I can smell the tires burning right now. And I don't know why he doesn't back up all the way up to the bottom and trying to find a way across. Because right now, he's been here for half an hour and it's stuck. So if you're here today, Monday, don't go to work. This is about the road right now. So there was a snow warning since last night, and because it was snowing last night, probably like 9-10 o'clock last night until this morning. So this is how get all the snows get too thick here, and so bad. So all right, but again, this plough, it's stuck. I'm gonna go on that front. Let's see. Yeah, still stuck. Ooh. But this is a heavy truck, you know. But I don't think he knows how to get out of this. Wow, this is. You see? We got that two big blades out in front. We can turn the wheels, and it's still stuck. This is a good story. A plough truck got stuck. I got all the wheels. Still can't get out. He has to again. He has to go back and go to the left. He's driving his front wheel up the snowbank right here. So guys, if you're thinking going to work today, don't. Stay home. Not worth it. Well, I'm trying. It gets nuts. Look at the tires burning. Oh, almost there. Come on, buddy. Come on. He's trying. Oh, again, guys, today's Monday morning. It's probably after 8 o'clock. If you decide to go to work, don't, because the roads is so bad. I mean, this plough got stuck right here. You need to get a tow truck to pull them out. It's trying. Keep rocking it. Don't stop. Keep going. Almost there. There you go. Oh, not enough. So try to reverse and try again. Oh, almost there. Buddy, almost there. Well, you're starting from the bottom there, and it's almost up the top of the hill. So it's a little bit of a less snow, right? Maybe about 10 feet away from the front wheel. You said you're okay, but you got to turn the wheels to the left. And that. Well, burning tires. Tires are burning. Okay, reverse it. Reverse it. Anyway, good luck. I wish this truck good luck because I can't stay here too long. It's getting cold. So, bye for now, guys. There you go. Finally, he got through. Don't stop, man. All right. Wow, you did it. There we go. Look at all these people shoveling their driveway. So we had a snowstorm last night, and see all the snow on this roof of these houses. And that's the road. You can't even see. You can't speed the lane. Full of snow. Yeah, it's still snowing a little bit. Getting better now. But it's very difficult to drive. That's why there's not enough cars. There's no cars around driving around the street because it's still snow and it's slippery. It's not totally plowed clean. So a lot of people didn't go to work today. Schools closed, places are closed. Yeah, so you can see these houses, all the snow, some cars there. Careful, it's slippery. And see the snow, how thick the snow on this roof. Right one here. I think that's the only one that can find. I think right there. So let's see what cars now. Yeah, you're taking a chance. If you don't get stuck, good luck.